Well, I've been getting a lot of questions about what an hybrid inverter is. So I did some research and I found some characteristics, some advantages of these inverters, which I would like to share with you right now. So hybrid inverters, I discovered that they are able to store power, especially from the grid. So they have the capability to store excess power from the grid so that they can supply your battery bank maybe at night. So when there's excess power from the grid, they are able to store it, and then at night time, or when the sunlight is not that much, then they help to supply that excess power to your battery bank. Also, I also discovered that they have two types of MPPT charge controller spots. So this allows you to be able to connect two separate solar arrays on them. And also, I also see that they have the advantage of having their heat sink. If you don't know what's an heat sink, this is what helps your inverter to cool down, just like those fans in your inverter. So it's actually located at the back. Most of them are located at the back. So this helps to limit the amount of let me say all these tiny insects that usually crawl into our inverters. This try to limit their activities, because the heat sink is at the back, so dust can't easily go in there. Insects can just fall into it. So that's what I just discovered. And also I also discovered something else also. It is an high voltage machine. That's something I also discovered. So I don't know, with these few points, I believe it will help you know what type of inverter that you need to purchase for your next installation.